guys, Nsheppard, Wild Willies Custom Accessories at Akins in Weiner, Georgia. Here's our next installment of some big bad Chevrolet action. Got the Covert Edition. The previous couple trade-ins we've gotten in, guys, we've done Everest Editions, which means it's got a 4 or 6 inch suspension lift. And this has got that ready lift, very popular, notorious SST, that mid-level lift. This is the 2 inch mid-level lift, and it just looks killer in our opinion. And we're able to fit, you know, a lot of tire under here. Actually, 295, 65, 20, which is a 35.1 by 11.6. So a good wide tire, not at the 12.5 wide, an inch narrower, but we're at a true 35 inch tall tire. On our mild to wild scale, we're at a 0 offset, so we're pretty flush with the fender, maybe sticking out an inch or so, but a good offset and stance. And love that BF Goodwrench KO2 tire. It's going to ride great and still look great. We've got an XD 847 outbreak wheel in matte black with a gray tint. Now this gray tint matches, this is almost like a Maximum Steel. It's a grayish, got a little blue hint, pewter color to it. Just a really nice color. Just got some gray cues to it. Really like this color a lot, and the wheel really complements this color of the vehicle. So 2 inch ready lift SST kit. Show you guys some of the components, and we're on 35 inch tall tires. Pretty impressed with that. Here's a good look at upper control arm on the SST. Do a little mod in the rear as well to kind of get us that little bit more lift there. Good look there. This is the Trail Boss. This kit does work with the Trail Boss from Ready Lift. And instead of doing just a level kit and rolling with 33.5s or 34s, we like this 35 inch size. Also, we've got Borla S-type exhaust with the carbon fiber tips. Just looking killer. Coming out the rear, love that look. A little inlay in the Chevrolet there. This is the LT with leather. It's got a bed liner in it too, guys. Fresh trade-in, now available. Got leather on the inside with some nice wood grain, Bose audio system, a low mileage truck too for you. Got amp research steps. Now here's some before pictures too of the vehicle, and take a look. I do not like that step bar at all. Do not like that step bar, but definitely the amp step makes the truck appear to be taller. The amp step gives you more functionality, ease of access and exit of the vehicle. Just looks killer as well. So on the Trail Boss also, it's a more capable vehicle. Up front, you've got that Z71 badging and the all black front end, which just looks amazing. Really like that. It's actually done a good job, in my opinion, with just trying to push the envelope and be more ingenuitive with all that they do. And this truck here, very fitting, looks killer. Our latest Covert Edition, now available at the pre-owned lot, guys. I'll put the link in the description below for this vehicle. Hope you enjoyed this short one. Real Deal Neil, Wild Willies at Akins.